Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a pantry decluttering organization / what's in my pantry type video. Wow, what a vague description. Basically, I needed to clean out my pantry, so I thought that I would film it, show you guys me doing the process. I am not the most organized person in the world, but I got my pantry pretty cleaned, and I know you guys like seeing these kind of videos. Plus, then you can be nosy and see what's in my pantry. Wow, so many reasons. Here we go. So I'm obviously starting off by taking everything out of my pantry. That is always, as I'm sure you all know, the first and most important thing you should do when you're cleaning out a space is just removing everything and starting with a blank canvas. So I removed everything from my cupboard, and then I took my handy dandy hand vac. I'm obsessed with this thing. It's amazing. It comes in use so often in my house, and I will link it down below. A bunch of you guys asked questions about that in my previous cleaning videos, so I will link it. And then I moved to the top part of my cupboards and emptied that all out as well, where I keep my chips, popcorn, extra tea, almond milk, all of that. So I removed that, and then I'm using my trusty Thieves cleaner, which I've been using so much lately in videos. It's a non-toxic essential oil based cleaning spray, and I love it. If you're interested in it, by the way, I've never said this in a video, I've put it in the info box, but you can message me on my oils Instagram account at For Your Life's Essentials, and I can give you all of the information that you need, and you can find out more and see if you're interested in buying it. Then I'm loading back in my Umpqua oats. I love these oats. This is their unsweetened flavor, their fruit flavor. I put in my protein powder from Vega and Tone It Up. I think Tone It Up has my favorite protein powder of anyone. And then I used my Vital Proteins, or put in my Vital Proteins collagen protein powder, as well as my amino acids drink, my spirulina, and then I started loading back in my chips. I love Siete chips. They're a grain-free, non-corn tortilla chips, but then I also like to keep some organic corn chips for when guests are over, because some people don't like the taste of the Siete chips. Plus, if I have a lot of people over, the Siete chips are expensive, so I like having just some organic corn tortilla chips around for people to snack on. So I got these bins off Amazon, and I like them. You can see through them. Like I said, I'm not at a point in my life yet, I don't know if I ever will be, where I'm super organized. So just having bins is organized for me. So this bin is my pasta bin. So I put my pasta in there, loaded that up. That is my nut bin. So I've just got all my macadamias, walnuts, pistachios, almonds, and just kind of moved stuff around where it felt right. I loaded in my granola, cacao nibs, dates, my goji berries, and then that bin on the right that's just got the truffles sitting over, that's my sweets and snacks bin. So it's got little fruity snacks in there, truffles, dark sea salt, chocolate truffles, all that. Loading in my mac and cheese. I have some vegan mac and cheese that I keep for if I ever just have a night that I need food quick or I'm craving it, then I have it. And then I keep a bin with all of my onions, loaded that in there as well. If you just saw me put away a sourdough starter, it's because Dan and I are currently in the process up there in the right corner. We actually just started making sourdough bread this week. I'm so excited, and if it turns out well, I will definitely make a video on it. But pray for us. It's a struggle. So, just loaded in all of the odds and ends. That little bin I use for all of my garlic. I keep a lot of fresh garlic on hand. And the little tray that you saw me load right there, the wicker tray, I keep protein bars in there, my RX bars, my Luna bars. And so this is the before, as you can see. And then this is the after. I wish I had a more dramatic reveal. It's really not that dramatic, but I got to at least organize and clean, and you guys got to see a little peek as to what's in my cupboard. And over here, I have snacks that I'm either throwing away or moving. So you didn't get to see all my canned goods because I keep them on a little rack under, in another cupboard that I forgot to film and show you guys. And it took no organizing at all because it was already organized on the rack. So yeah, that's my pantry cleaning. I hope that you guys liked this video. Let me know. I get really torn as to whether there's like a point to making these, but I feel like you guys have liked them. And if you missed it, I did do a bathroom decluttering, which you're seeing on the screen. I will link that down below. Just went through my whole bathroom. And then my last video was my spring morning routine. I missed filming morning routines so much. I haven't filmed one in so long, and it was so fun to film and edit, and I hope you guys liked it. So I also love this saying, I have found that if you love life, it will love you back. I think that's a good one. I hope you guys are having a good week, and I'll see you very soon.